Yeah, guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Still on the Ultimate Love reality TV show, Obichukwu, the pastor of the house, hungry for cuddling. Guys, yesterday, Ebiteinye organized a dinner. She organized it with Bolanle, Rosie, Ike, and she did this as because she wanted to make peace and prove to Obichukwu that she can work things out with him, and that every issues they've had in the past has made her understand how important the relationship is to her, and has even opened her eyes to even understand that she can't do without him and she loves him so much. She served him with drinks, chicken, and salad, fruit salad. Guys, you could tell that she put in so much effort to plan this dinner. And a girl has to look good for a date. She looked radiant as she wore a very skimpy sequins gown. She made up well, that got Obi really attracted to her, and he kept on gushing on how she was looking so beautiful, how she is the woman for him, and all that. So after the dinner, it seems Obichukwu was hungry for a cuddle after spending 37 days on the Ultimate Love show. Guys, other love guests have been kissing and cuddling and doing other things, but I think AB hasn't gotten a feel of how it feels to be cuddled or be kissed by her partner. So Obi, who is seen as a holy person to the point he was nicknamed pastor, asked his partner Ebiteinye for a cuddle. The joy on Ebitenye's face was so obvious, and she busted into singing, praising God for the cuddling request from Obichukwu. Obi, body no be firewood. Even if your late father's friends, who are pastors, see you cuddling, they will not be offended. You are an adult, and that is not also a sin. Guys, you can really tell that AB has been longing for this kind of intimacy and closeness from her partner, and I think she just got one. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think this cuddling thing can arouse some kind of feelings and other things that will follow? If you're a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Naija News and Entertainment, and also click on the bell button to get notification when a new story drops. Thank you and stay tuned. See you guys next time.